Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow collard greens in containers. Start with the right container. Collard greens need space for their roots, so pick a pot that is at least 8 to 10 inches deep and wide. A 3 to 5 gallon capacity is ideal. Make sure your container has good drainage holes to keep the roots healthy and prevent them from getting waterlogged. This is a crucial first step for successful container gardening. Next, let's talk about soil and planting. Use a premium potting mix that's rich in organic matter to give your collards the best start. Plant your seeds about 1/2 inch deep, spacing them 3 to 6 inches apart. Once the seedlings are a few inches tall, thin them out to ensure each plant has 6 to 12 inches of space to grow robustly. Proper watering and sunlight are key. Collard greens thrive with consistent moisture, needing about 1 inch of water weekly. Always check the soil, water deeply when the top inch feels dry. These plants love the sun, so place your container where it will receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight every day. This ensures vigorous growth and flavorful leaves. Finally, let's discuss feeding and harvesting. Fertilize your collard greens every 2 to 3 weeks using a balanced liquid fertilizer to support their growth. You can start harvesting the outer leaves when they reach 6 to 8 inches in length. This continuous harvesting method encourages the plant to produce new leaves, providing you with a steady supply of fresh collards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.